Don't take fitness just as a trend. It is a serious thing. And causing more deaths nowadays than benefits. If you do correctly, you enjoy the benefits lifelong or has to suffer lifelong. Nowadays, the so-called Gen Z and millennials take on the fitness challenges through social media platform. And in this race, they forget the purpose, for why they are doing exercise, what to do and what not. What is their goal? Whether it is losing weight, building muscle, or simply staying active, it is easy to forget an essential truth that balance is the key. While starting an exercise routine is an incredible first step, knowing when to stop is equally crucial. Because yes, over-exercising is a thing, and that especially with this Gen Z, and not knowing that can do more harm than good. So, in this video, we'll talk about what is too much workout. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and like and share the video. So, let's begin the video. It's tempting to think that more exercise equals better results. After all, if 1 hour at the gym feels good, wouldn't 2 or 3 be even better? But unfortunately, our body doesn't see it in that way. Overtraining can lead to a cascade of negative effects, both physical and mental. In simple terms, overtraining is doing more exercise than your body can handle, that is leading to exhaustion, weaker performance, and higher injury risk. What are the physical signs of overtraining? Persistent fatigue. Even after rest, decreased in performance, feeling lethargic whole day, frequent injuries, prolonged muscle soreness that doesn't go away with rest, weakened immune system that is acquiring frequent cold and fever, changes in heart rate, sleep disturbances, loss of appetite. What are the mental emotional signs of overtraining? Lost interest to go to gym, feeling irritable, moody, anxious, or depressed, difficulty in concentration, increased stress levels. So, these were the signs which indicates the overtraining. Beside this, there is one organ in body which directly take hit of overtraining, and it is nothing but our heart. And certainly, you don't want to take hit on heart health. To understand whether heart health is affecting with overtraining, you need to undergo VO2 max test. VO2 max test is one of the best indicators of heart and overall cardiovascular health. How does it work? VO2 max measures how much oxygen our body can use during exercise. And this directly depends on following. Firstly, heart. As how much blood, means indirectly the oxygen, as our blood carry oxygen. So how much blood our heart can pump, that is also called the cardiac output. Secondly, lungs. As how much oxygen you can take in. Thirdly, muscles. As how well our muscles use that oxygen for energy. So with this parameters a VO2 max test determine as how much oxygen our body can use during exercise, which is the key factor of determining that our body is not getting affected, and most essentially that our heart is not getting affected with overtraining. So, let's see how much VO2 max is considered as best. Generally, the higher the VO2 max means the best our heart and circulatory system are. But, let's see what are the safe ranges of VO2 max, for a healthy heart. For men between 20 to 40 years of age, lesser than 35 per milliliters per kilogram per minute, is considered as low VO2 max. 40 to 50 per milliliters per kilogram per minute, is considered as average VO2 max. Greater than 55 to 60 per milliliters per kilogram per minute is considered as excellent VO2 max. In women between 20 to 40 years of age, lesser than 27 per milliliters per kilogram per minute is considered as low VO2 max. 30 to 40 per milliliters per kilogram per minute is considered as average VO2 max. Greater than 45 to 50 per milliliters per kilogram per minute is considered as excellent VO2 max. You may surprise to hear that elite endurance athletes often have VO2 max values of above 60 to 80 plus, which is safe as long as their body is balanced with recovery. But remember, the higher VO2 max is safe and beneficial if achieved gradually with balanced training, proper rest, and nutrition. The real safety check is making sure you are not overtraining while trying to improve it. Okay. So, next time when your body shows signs of overtraining, stop and see if you are pushing yourself way too much just for ego satisfaction. A question that how much rest is recommended is also essential gym goers, which they ignore generally. Let's understand how rest is recommended. Number 1. For strength or muscle growth that is hypertrophy, muscle group recovery should require between 48 to 72 hours before training the same muscle again. For example, chest on Monday, then train again Wednesday or Thursday. Many people use a split routine, for example upper or lower or push or pull or legs, to train more often without overloading the same muscles. Number 2. For endurance or cardio that is running, cycling, HIIT. For light or moderate cardio you should give rest to your body about 12 to 24 hours for enough recovery. For high-intensity intervals that is HIIT you should give rest 24 to 48 hours between hard sessions. Number 3. For just general fitness routine or normal healthcare workouts, you should hit the gym 3 to 5 sessions per week only, with at least 1 to 2 full rest or active recovery days. Okay, one important factor to remember is your age. Yes, your age and also underlying health conditions, if any, determine your safe workout limits. For that you have to consult your doctor and should work under expert and certified fitness trainer only. Why? Why? Because your heart is also a muscle. And I don't have to say what heart matters. Recently, a few videos have emerged on social media that show people collapsing and dying mostly due to cardiac arrest or heart attack while on the treadmill or lifting weights. Overtraining, particularly without proper precautions and training protocols and not having rest periods in between, or not aware of their health conditions, can strain the heart day by day and increase the chances of having either heart attack or cardiac arrest. So, it is always recommended to work within both a safe workout limits and a safe heart rate zone, and avoid pushing beyond your limits for ego satisfaction or social media challenges. Don't risk your life. Hope the topic was helpful for you. If it was, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button and drop your thoughts in comment section. Thank you.